guys, bibidyoan lang natin si Grandma kasi siya yung unang kumain. Okay? Kami dito, naghihintay ng luto. Okay.
May chicken, may ampalaya. Oh, sarap oh.
Chicken, ampalaya, meatballs.
Ampalaya, may dinuguan, halo-halo.
Ano kinakain ni Tio?
Meatballs.
What do you want, Mama? Pam? My love so sweet.
You want meatballs?
You want meatballs?
Meron pa rin siya.
Oh, Bebo. I'm gonna keep turning.
No, hold it.
Meatballs.
Yeah. Or you want hot dog? Hot dog na lang. Yeah.
Okay guys, nagpalit na kami kasi si Pader walang salamin. So nakasiyok siya today. Ayan o, ha? Oh.
Ano? Oh, you want some?
Ako naman hopefully na nakalimutan ko anong klaseng chocolate. Anong klase ito pa? Hook shot ba ito? Slip shot ba? Slip shot. Yeah, parang slip shot siya. Yung pang military. Simple lang, pero malakas yung dating. Yan. Okay guys, see you later. Ako na sunod na kakain, so
Mamaya.
i-interviewin ako mamaya, okay? Niluluto pa yung pagkain ko eh, iniinit pa eh. So, si Grandma patapos na oh. Sarap daw ng kain niya eh. Kasi dito kami kumakain, we eat here in the car, so we don't have to stop and waste time, you know, that. And then we're gonna end up midnight na naman sa pagdating. So we just eat here. Meron naman kaming anti yung smell. Anti-odor, yeah. So it kills the odor and then replace it with fresh air. Yeah. Ayun lang guys. Stay tuned. Ako nang next kakain. Traffic naman oh. Traffic. Okay. See you later.